Hey guys, so I'm headed to cafe now. Alex needs to finish some work. I'm so excited to edit the second vlog. So by the time you will see this video, the second vlog will be already out. If you missed it, go check it out. Yeah. We just left the cafe. We really loved it because it has this Art Deco design. We had a cup of tea and we did some work. And now we walk around. It's not sunny anymore, but the weather is still nice. And yeah. Hi guys, we're in the lobby now. We're headed to Soho and I wanted first of all to do a quick fit check. It says it's gonna rain today, so I'm wearing this cashmere sweater from Madewell. I'm wearing my diesel jean. I love those jeans, they're very comfy. Madewell belt, Nike sneakers, and yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go! we're in Soho right now. It's raining. I hope it's gonna end soon because we want to walk around Soho and just grab a coffee and yeah.
Time for shopping now. Just finished the lunch at Malsafar. It's raining, but yeah, we're going to do some shopping.
Okay, let's check it out. This is cute, but definitely too big. I size XS in J. Crew. This is S. I think it's supposed to be oversized, but I like the colors. I like the blue and the green together, but I think it's a little bit too baggy. Yeah, I don't know. Let me think if I should get it or not, because I'm still a little bit confused. Because I really love the colors. I like the texture, it's very soft. Just the sizing looks a little bit weird. Yeah.
You guys are all finished?
And this is exactly what I've been looking for, this type of sweater. It's very appropriate for the actual season now, which is not too cold and not too warm. The fabric is cashmere, which is very soft. And yeah, I'm thinking of styling it maybe with short or skirt. Yeah. Okay, I really like it. Even with jeans, it's not that bad. Yeah, okay. This one is also cute. I really like the oat color. Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, it's cozy. It's also cashmere. The cashmere is very like soft. I like it. It looks cozy. So yeah, I think I like it. This is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. Looks cute though. Yeah, looks cute. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday today. It's gloomy and miserable outside. We haven't seen the sun in like 5 days, I think. Yeah. And I'm about to head out to the gym now. I'm gonna do a quick outfit check. I'm wearing this Lululemon top. I really like it because it's very soft, very nice and easy. And a leggings. Yeah, I need to hit my 10,000 steps, and going to the gym is the right place to do it. I don't hit 10,000 steps every day, so every day is different. But yeah, I'm at least trying to move. And yeah, I also soak my hair in Olaplex. And yeah, I'm trying to get my hair back because I dyed my hair back in May or June, I think, and since then it is so damaged. I'm using hair oils, Olaplex, but it's still damaged. It's getting better, I can say, but yeah, I need to take care of it more. If you have, please, any recommendations, let me know. Leave them in the comments, please. I really need to get my hair back. And yeah,